Hi everyone, I'm Suyuk from Online Help Guide, and in this video, I will show you how to turn on notifications of Tonkeeper. Enabling notifications keeps you updated on important account activities and alerts, ensuring you never miss a critical update. So let's get started on how to turn on notifications of Tonkeeper. First, open the Tonkeeper app on your device. Tap on the settings option from the top right corner of your screen. In the settings menu, find and tap on the notifications option. At the top of the notifications screen, you will see the push notifications option. To turn on notifications, tap on the toggle switch right next to it. When the toggle switch turns green, it means notifications are now enabled. And this is how you can turn on notifications of Tonkeeper. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.